Welcome back to chemistry class. Let's go to our third topic, which is about the role of RNA in translations. We understand in the previous slides that the end product of the transcription is the RNA template, but we will identify here how it became essential for the next process, which is the translation. What is the role of RNA in translation? So, the primary function of RNA is to create proteins via translation. The RNA carries a genetic information that is translated by ribosomes into various proteins necessary for cellular process. So, i-discuss natin ito mamaya. So, mRNA, rRNA, and tRNA ang tatlong main types of RNA na involved sa process of protein synthesis. So there are three types of RNA. First is the mRNA, or what we call messenger RNA. Messenger RNA is a single-stranded molecule that carries genetic codes. So yung messenger RNA nga, from the word messenger, is nagdadala siya ng information or the genetic code galing sa DNA in a cell's nucleus to ribosomes for the cells on making protein. And the second types of RNA is the rRNA. The R stands for ribosomes, so it is the ribosomal RNA, which are essential in protein synthesis. So, as we all know that ribosomes is the cell protein making machinery, it is responsible for making protein or the protein synthesis. A ribosome contains a large and small ribosomal subunit. And lastly, we have here the tRNA, or the T stands for transfer. So transfer RNA are RNA molecules that translate mRNA into proteins. They have a clover leaf structure, so parang may clover leaf structure daw yung tRNA. Kung nakakita na kayo ng clover leaf, it is like four-petaled leaf. Yun po, yun yung pagkakalam ko. So, they have a clover leaf structure that consists of a Chi and acceptor site and 5 terminal phosphates. And we have also the D arm and T arm and anticodon arm. So, yung anticodon arm, it is the parang complementary basis nung codon na naka-attach sa tRNA. The primary function of the tRNA is to carry amino acids on its 3 acceptor site of ribosome complex with the help of amino acyl tRNA synthetase. So all of these types of RNA has a significant role in translation or in the protein synthesis. The translation involves decoding a messenger RNA, obviously, as we mentioned earlier, and using its information to build a polypeptide. So kung natatandaan nyo, yung polypeptide is a chain of amino acids. For most purposes, a polypeptide is basically just a protein. Kasi yung mga series of amino acid na yun corresponds or nag-value sila sa certain protein. Like, for example, the hemoglobin for carrying blood.